constant quest for invention continues to transform our world in extraordinary ways in an era of fast technological breakthroughs. Elon Musk, a name connected to trailblazing endeavors and bold concepts, is one of the visionaries leading this charge. Musk, who is well known for his work in electric cars, space travel, and renewable energy, continuously pushes the envelope of what is possible. Elon Musk has now ventured into the field of artificial intelligence robotics, attracting the attention of the world community once more. This marks the beginning of a new generation of intelligent robots that promise to change our relationship with technology. Long viewed as a revolutionary force, the development of AI has the potential to completely alter a wide range of businesses and our way of life. While artificial intelligence has advanced significantly in fields like computer vision, machine learning, and natural language processing, creating actual machines that can interact with the outside world has remained a tough problem. Elon Musk has presented a new generation of AI robots, marking a key turning point in the field of autonomous machines. Elon Musk did this in recognition of the enormous potential and unexplored opportunities. By combining the capabilities of advanced artificial intelligence with physical machines, Musk seeks to unlock a new era of automation, efficiency, and human-machine collaboration. This new generation of AI robots promises to transcend the limitations of their predecessors. Equipped with cutting-edge AI algorithms, machine learning capabilities, and advanced sensory systems, they possess the ability to adapt, learn, and interact with their environment in ways previously unimaginable. From industrial automation and healthcare applications to personal assistance and autonomous transportation, the potential applications for these intelligent machines are vast and varied. Elon Musk recently disclosed a generation of AI robots, and by looking at their capabilities, prospective uses, and wider ramifications for our society, we stand on the brink of a new era, one in which the lines between humans and robots blur and the potential for development seems infinite. Musk's venture into AI robotics combines his belief in the potential of technology to address humanity's most pressing problems with his vision for a sustainable future. His most recent initiative, which intends to revolutionize how we perceive and interact with robotic technology, has a history of upending established sectors. Musk hopes to usher in a new era of automation, efficiency, and human-machine cooperation by fusing the capabilities of cutting-edge artificial intelligence with those of physical machinery. OpenAI, a research organization for artificial intelligence that seeks to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, is one of Musk's major AI initiatives. OpenAI is committed to creating AI systems that are trustworthy, safe, and consistent with moral principles. Musk and other well-known personalities in the tech sector co-founded OpenAI to minimize any hazards related to cutting-edge AI technologies. Musk's AI initiatives are still in development, and his contributions to the area have spurred important discussions regarding morality, security, and the appropriate use of AI technologies. Musk plays a vital role in influencing the future of AI and its effects on society by addressing the possible concerns connected with it and working diligently to deploy it for the good of humanity. During the much-awaited Tesla Investor Day 2023, Elon Musk wowed crowds with his insightful predictions about the company's future and showcased a few groundbreaking innovations. The unveiling of a very sophisticated artificial intelligence development in the shape of Optimus robot, displayed alongside the legendary Tesla Cybertruck, was one of the event's most noteworthy highlights. The Optimus robot represents a significant leap forward in the integration of AI and robotics, reflecting Tesla's ongoing commitment to pushing the boundaries of technological innovation. This humanoid robot, designed to perform a wide range of tasks and assist humans in various scenarios, stands as a testament to Tesla's multifaceted approach to revolutionizing industries beyond electric vehicles. The Optimus robot has a remarkable range of talents and is built using cutting-edge robotics technology and sophisticated AI algorithms. The robot can connect with the physical world in previously unthinkable ways thanks to its human-like appearance and deft movements. It can navigate complicated settings, comprehend and respond to natural language, and adapt to changing circumstances thanks to its increased sensory systems and perception. The introduction of the Optimus robot together with the Tesla Cybertruck emphasizes how seamlessly AI and robotics have been incorporated into the company's larger ecosystem. The Cybertruck transformed the idea of an electric pickup truck, while Tesla's devotion to creating groundbreaking products that upend established sectors is exemplified by the Optimus robot. Tesla intends to create a future where intelligent technologies not only complement human abilities but also reimagine how we live and work by merging their expertise in electric vehicles, AI, and robotics. The Optimus robot has a wide range of uses in many different industries. The robot's adaptability makes it a useful tool in areas where accuracy, efficiency, and human-robot collaborations are paramount, from assisting in manufacturing operations to supporting healthcare experts. The Optimus robot has the potential to significantly improve the passenger experience and further the development of completely autonomous vehicles as Tesla continues to grow its position in the autonomous transportation sector. However, as with any development in advanced AI and robotics, there are important considerations to address. Elon Musk, known for his mindfulness of ethical concerns and responsible technology deployment, likely emphasized the importance of safety, transparency, and regulatory frameworks surrounding the Optimus robot and future AI development. Ensuring that these intelligent machines are designed and implemented with a focus on human well-being, privacy, and security will be crucial in building public trust and acceptance. The debut of the Optimus robot and the legendary Cybertruck during the Tesla Investor Day 2023 demonstrated a remarkable advancement in robotics and artificial intelligence. This brilliant AI advancement exemplifies Tesla's dedication to pushing the envelope of innovation, upending industries outside of the electric vehicle space, and foreseeing a time when intelligent machines will revolutionize a wide range of industries. Tesla continues to reshape the technology landscape and usher in a new era of opportunities for the advancement of society by fusing AI, robots, and their innovative approach. During various public appearances and interviews, Musk has shared updates updates, news, and insights into his AI projects, including the highly anticipated Tesla robot. The Tesla robot is a symbol of Musk's continued dedication to advancing AI technologies. The Tesla robot is probably going to be a big step forward in robotics, even though specifics may change depending on the most recent news and advancements. According to Musk, intelligent robots like the Tesla robot will be essential in the future of many industries, increasing productivity, automation, and human-machine cooperation. Musk claims that the Tesla robot is developing relatively quickly and uses AI technology borrowed from Tesla's autopilot system. The robot's design makes use of Tesla's current engineering capabilities and integrates parts from Tesla cars. The expense of creating humanoid robots like Optimus and Tesla robot, according to Musk, would outpace the company's auto industry. The focus of Musk's AI development strategy is on safety, openness, and moral issues. He has often emphasized the need for appropriate use of AI and the significance of taking preventative measures to minimize any risks connected with highly developed autonomous systems. Musk's attention to guaranteeing the moral and secure application of AI is a reflection of his desire to have a beneficial influence in the world. Aside from the Tesla robot, Musk's other business, including Tesla and SpaceX, are always innovating and pushing the boundaries of their respective industries. Tesla's electric cars have transformed the auto business, supported greener modes of transportation, and cut carbon emissions. SpaceX has made great progress in rocket reusability, space exploration, and even ambitions to build human colonies on Mars. Musk exhibits a tremendous capacity to envisage and pursue lofty objectives that have the potential to reshape industries and enhance people's lives on a global scale through his different projects and businesses. He stands out as a leading personality in the digital sector because of his dedication to disruptive innovation, sustainable practices, and ethical issues. If you are liking the video so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Putting together Elon Musk's most recent initiatives and news gives a thorough summary of the incredible accomplishments he and his companies have made. Musk's projects continue to grab the public's interest and serve as inspiration for the coming wave of technological improvements, ranging from artificial intelligence developments to electric vehicles, renewable energy options, and space exploration. Elon Musk's dedication to AI development, including projects like the Tesla robot alongside his other groundbreaking ventures, reflects his relentless pursuit of innovation and positive impact on the world. By staying updated on the most recent news and projects surrounding Musk, we gain valuable insights into the remarkable achievements and visions of one of the most influential figures shaping our technological future. Tesla is committed to enhancing AI in areas other than robotics. With the integration of neural chips that link the brain to the internet, Elon Musk's Neuralink project seeks to increase human capacities. Before human testing may move further, regulatory agency safety concerns have highlighted serious issues that must be resolved. Tesla is making progress in its core areas while also drawing attention with its ambitious robotics and AI projects. The pre-production beta version of the Cybertruck was on exhibit at the Tesla Investor Day, showcasing its streamlined form, panel layout, and improved steering wheel. The Cybertruck will be assembled in 2023, and its complete debut will take place in 2024. Along with Tesla, Musk's other businesses, including SpaceX, has made major strides. Despite suffering a setback with the suborbital flight of the Starship spaceship, SpaceX is still committed to improving its technology and getting ready for upcoming flights. Elon Musk's management style and capacity to solve challenging issues promptly have helped Tesla advance despite obstacles and competition in several areas. Tesla's ambitions for growth, including the building of a new plant in Mexico, shows its dedication to increasing production and achieving lofty objectives. Elon Musk founded the XI firm to pursue its interest in developing artificial intelligence outside of Tesla's own initiatives. Like the Chinese WeChat platform, this new initiative seeks to make AI apps versatile and available for numerous services. Tesla has evolved into an incredible technology business that is dedicated to developing cutting-edge AI, robotics, and neural technologies in addition to producing electric vehicles. The Tesla Investor Day 2023 gave attendees a sneak peek into the company's innovative plans and goals, which range from the ongoing development of the Cybertruck to humanoid robots like the Tesla robot. Tesla is still setting sail for a future characterized by invention, abundance, and game-changing technology under Elon Musk's leadership. Write in the comments which of Elon Musk's projects did you like the most. Make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.